Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Bossy, and today I'm here with a video on this gorgeous unit that I actually received from DYHAIR777. Okay, and this hair that they sent me, just so I could say it's right, this is the 150 density top quality virgin hair jerry curl lace front wig, and this is Brazilian hair, and you guys, this unit is bomb. So, you know, I show a lot of hair on my channel, but I never show you guys how I like maintain the curls to, you know, keep it like this, because let me be honest with y'all, I actually got this unit a month ago. I wore it like, I want to say a week to 2 weeks before my actual wedding. Wore it, I actually recorded a video for it before. The quality wasn't that great, so I redid the video. But of course, with this type of hair, curly hair, you have to really maintain it. And sometimes it's hard and sometimes you get lazy. So the hair can look a little dry and be a little stiff. It won't have any movement or anything like this. It'll just be really stiff, and you don't want that. So I decided in this video, featuring this gorgeous unit, I'm gonna show you guys how I maintain my curls, how I bring them back to life, how I keep my hair from looking dry and frizzy and looking nice and smooth. And you guys, I don't have this like, it's secured on my head, it's not moving, but I don't have it like tacked down or anything with any got to be glue or any lace glue or anything like that. Losing my voice for a second. So yeah you guys, and I'm gonna also include a little bit of footage because like I said, I've done this video already before, but it wasn't up to my standards. So I'm just gonna show you like the packaging, which granted I do have the package. Just a moment. So this is what the hair actually came in. Now I am gonna insert clips of like how the wig came stored and everything like that, and anything that's included in it, so don't mind that. But yeah, this is lovely because I like the fact that you can restore your unit or bundles in here, and it's, you know, carry it around. I could have took this on vacation, but I wanted to do something more less maintenance, so I got braids. But as soon as I got back from out of Jamaica, I put her back on because I really do like this wig. It is really beautiful, really nice. I love the curls. They just look so juicy. Like, can y'all see what this looks like? Anyway, y'all, just enough about this. Let's just get into me showing how I maintain my curls and how I put on my unit and everything like that. It's like super cute, y'all. I've gotten so many compliments on this unit y'all wouldn't believe. My birthday actually is tomorrow, October 17th, which this will be actually posted the day of my birthday or the day after my birthday, not quite sure. But yeah, I will be wearing this unit for my birthday week and the day of my birthday. Love it. Tomorrow I will be wearing this to work, which I've been wearing it to work for a whole 2 weeks now, since I've been back home. So yeah you guys, enough talking because y'all know I do a lot of talking. Just enjoyed the video. All the information will be down below in the description box, and I'll probably be talking through this video while I'm putting it on my head. I haven't decided yet, but I hope you enjoy the video. So you guys, I'm just starting off with just a regular wig cap. I'm trying not to look at the viewfinder, but I'm just starting off with a regular wig cap that I had. So I'm just gonna show you guys how the hair looks now. I've been having this unit for maybe almost a month now, and you know, I've been wearing it faithfully and getting tons and tons of compliments on this wig. So I just want to show you how it's been looking from this, you know, kind of fuzzy looking, looks a little dry, but I'm telling you, this wig is bomb. Like I said, I did a video of me wearing this hair before I went on my honeymoon. I wore it for about a week, and then what I want to say right after I came back from my honeymoon, and I've been back from my honeymoon for 2 weeks. I've been wearing this unit for a whole 2 weeks. I've even slept in it because at certain points I was even gluing it down, which I'm not in this video because I'm gonna take a break from, like, even when I say glue it down using the got to be glue, because I feel like my edges are struggling even more. So I'm just gonna put this on my head, and I love a good middle part. And I'm just gonna have it down, and I'm gonna stick the combs in because, like I said, I'm not gonna actually glue this down, and like it's not going anywhere. Like it's good and secure, good and secure. So you see how it looks kind of stiff and dry, you know. I want to bring the curls back, make it nice and juicy and voluptuous. So the two things that I'm mainly going to be using is my water in my water bottle, and then my Smooth and Shine foaming lotion. So to detangle the hair, you can either use this dimming brush that I love so much, or you can use just a big white tooth comb. So what I'm gonna do first is just section off the wig, and I put it in 2 halves. So then I'm going to put this in another 2 halves, and I'm just gonna saturate it with water. I'm just gonna take my water bottle and just saturate this. And I am gonna insert a clip of when I wore it previously. And please excuse the clip because it is a bit dark, but how big the hair actually can get. Like, this hair can get really big, but I didn't want to wear it big. So now I'm taking my dimming brush, and I start at the ends, and it's really easy to brush through this and comb through it. Like, this wig is gorgeous. Look at that already. And not a lot of hair is coming out of this wig either, which is another plus that I love about it so far. And I will be doing a review, a final review on this hair, because like I said, I've worn it for a good amount. But probably next month in November, probably the first week of November, I'm gonna do a like an update video on the hair. But I can say so far it's been doing amazing, like amazing. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. Like, it's amazing. Y'all, I can't even begin to tell you. Like, oh my God. And it's just gliding through. And I mean, I'm sure there is gonna be some hair in the brush, but it's not like a lot like you think, especially with this being Jerry curl, like tight hair. Like, oh my God. Look how the, ooh. And it's just gliding through. Gliding through. What? Girl, what did you say? Okay. Like, look at it. Can y'all see that? And that's just with the water. That's just with water. You see, look, you see how this is bouncy, curly, and then this is just like, ooh, girl. Like, yes. I also want to mention this unit comes with 4 combs, 2 on the side, 1 in the back, 1 at the top, and also the adjustable straps for added security. This wig is beyond amazing, and I really have been enjoying it. And it doesn't feel too tight, it fits just right. Okay, so you see the difference? You see how, like, this looks juicy, like it's flowy, amazingness, bomb curls, and this is just kind of like, and this, like I said, this don't even look that bad. But what I then do is take my Smooth and Shine foaming stuff. I either put it on my hair or in my hand, it doesn't matter, just depends on what I want to do that day. Sorry if y'all hear bumping, the kids are upstairs and I just put it on my curls once they're combed out to define it more, and it also molds the curls to where they last longer versus just with water. So that's something else that I like. And you see my cap, but like I said, I will adjust this and fix this. And I also put it on the top to smooth out the top of the unit as well. And then I just take that hard bristle brush and just get it to be smooth at the top. And look at that. Even the parting looks bomb. And I haven't even plucked it or anything. I could, but it's just that cap underneath. So I'm gonna do the other side and come back once it matches. Here is, and yes, I'm looking in the viewfinder. Here is the end result. And this is how I maintain my curly hair with wigs, or if it's a sew-in or anything. This is how I maintain it, just with water, sectioning the hair in 4 sections, and some nice foaming lotion. And I'm wearing a middle part, but I will say this, like, just look at how beautiful this unit is. Bomb. It's easy to put on. Like I said, if you don't want to glue it down, you don't have to, but like if you were wanting to pull it up or anything, it is best that you secure the sides, which like I said, I'm not doing because I will be in. The wig's not going off, and if the wind blows my hair back, so be it. You can even take some bobby pins if you need, like, and just secure it down, which I have bobby pins. So I'm just gonna take bobby pins, like, so you can see that if you don't want to have to do the whole gluing and stuff like that, and just secure it back. And I'm not going anywhere. It's looking good. It's looking good. That's just with a bobby pin. And there you have it. If you want to pull it back. So yeah, you guys, check out DYHAIR777 and check out their units, their bundles, especially this unit. Again, this is the Brazilian Jerry Curl unit. Bomb, beautiful. I love it. So I will leave all their information below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.